If you are looking for how to find your target audience, your leads on Sales Navigator, you are in the right place. Hi, my name is Burak Erdem, and I've been teaching and establishing LinkedIn messaging marketing campaigns since 2020. And today I will show you how you can find your target audience on Sales Navigator. I will give you all my knowledge, and after this video, you can start finding your target audience and then establish your LinkedIn messaging marketing campaign. If you have any questions, anything, just leave me a comment below, or you can reach out to me through my LinkedIn. My LinkedIn profile link is in the description below. So let's dive into it. Okay, today I will focus on real estate agents. Okay, you can replace uh, your target audience keyword and then implement based on your needs. I will start with real estate, and then let's see how it goes. Okay, first of all, I always start with geography, United States, and then starting narrow down from there. So obviously after geography, I will go after industry, real estate, and real estate agents and brokers. Um, we have 3 million leads here, so we need to narrow down. Um, so usually people go after current job title, but that's the biggest mistake, because when you go after with current job title, LinkedIn, let me explain how LinkedIn works first. So the users type the job title on their profile, and based on that data, LinkedIn list all those leads, right? So that's why you cannot predict which job title is the best for you. Some of them, they describe themselves director of marketing or director of something, or some people say manager, uh, but maybe they are 10 years of experience. So you cannot predict which job title is the best fit for you. There are a lot of job titles. You can predict maybe 10 of them, and then you will miss 20 job titles, and you will miss the best leads. So don't do that. Just go after, just focus on seniority level. Okay, so let's have a look. Owner, C level, vice president, right? Let's check out decision makers. And okay, it's I think it's enough. So owner, C level, and vice president. After that, so we have how many people? So we have 3,000, oh sorry, 300, 3,000, 330,000. So after that, I will be focusing on company headcount, right? So obviously you might ask why we try to narrow down. Okay, so the idea is, LinkedIn messaging marketing campaigns, they require you to narrow down until 2,500 leads per search. You can do multiple searches and then add all those leads to one campaign, but one search needs to be 2,500 maximum. So that's why we are narrowing down and then trying to find the best audience for us. So let's go after with company headcount, right? So let's have a look. Self-employed. Okay, we have 33,000 people, still a lot, right? So sometimes going after whole country is not a good idea, as you can see. So we will narrow down based on states. So let's focus on Florida. Let's delete that one. Okay, still we have 4K people. I want to narrow down with years of experience. We have years of experience here. You can choose this one, or you can choose change jobs, but it's, I think it's not that much, only 86 people. Or you can focus on people who are actively posting on LinkedIn. That's that's also really good because these guys engaging and using LinkedIn regularly, right? That could be really good. But this one, like, we have 477 people, right? So maybe we need to expand. We can focus on more states. So sorry. So maybe we can let's check out whole country. Let's see. Okay, that's okay. So uh, 3,500 people. And then I can narrow down based on years of experience, right? Let's see how many people will show up. All experienced people actually. So what we can do, we can put profile language. I don't think it will change anything. Yeah, and then maybe I can delete vice president and then see how many people will show up. Still same. CXO. Okay, so there you go. So we have 2K people here, as you can see. And so this is like owner, senior to level is owner, self-employed people, and they're staying, I mean, living in United States, industry real estate and real estate agent. And these guys, they're keep posting, they engaging on LinkedIn. So this is really good actually. And 2,000 people. So I can take this search link and then add to my messaging campaign. After that, I can maybe I can put other company headcounts and then keep adding those people. So this is the name of the game. So let's change company headcount and then put 1 to 10 people, right? And then see how many people will show up. Okay, 5K, right? 5K people show up, and then so maybe I can narrow down with years of experience, right? So I can put, okay, not that much. Again, these people highly like more than 10 years maybe. So it didn't work. So maybe um, let's see. Maybe I can delete industry, one of the industries, and then see how many people will show up. Still 5K. Um, what can I do? Maybe I can narrow down by states, right? So as you can see, I keep play around and then trying to find 2,000 people. This is really really important. And the other thing is keyword search. So this is, I don't recommend, but some niches you need to do that because of the industry. You need to use keywords, but these keywords, if you're using like in here in the search bar, if you're using keywords, that means that keyword uh, has to be on your prospect's profile, but it doesn't mean that that will be in their current job title. Some of them uh, past experience. That's why it's little bit risky. I don't recommend, but if you don't have any choice, if your niche is really really niche down, so yeah, you have to use it, and then you need to risk to contact with people who are not necessary for you, but sometimes we cannot avoid this. Okay, so let me share my screen again, and then you need to use okay, you need to type like let's check multi family. Okay, so you need to type like this. Okay, multifamily with this apostrophe. I don't know. I don't know this name. Sorry about that. Sorry about my English. So 400 people, as you can see. Let's check. Scroll down. Um, so as you can see, oh here, like multifamily here. Let's see their profile. Multifamily, yeah. So you can see some of them here about section, or some of them on their profile. You can see, right? When you go and then check their profile, you will see, and then you can put or and add more keywords, right? And then you can search again. So 5k people, because I type real estate, and then you can add and. If you want to search two keywords, you need to type and you can see how many people will show up. So yeah, that's it. If you wanna establish LinkedIn messaging marketing campaign and then you don't know how, just reach out to me. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and just reach out to me through my LinkedIn. You can see my LinkedIn link on my description in this video. So yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like the content, and see you next time.